Your steering system has everything to do with the safety and reliability of your car. A worn or leaking steering rack can cause your vehicle to wander or pull to one side as you drive. If your steering rack breaks down while driving, you can lose control of your car and cause a serious accident. Plus, even a slightly worn steering rack will cause your tires to wear out prematurely, forcing you to spend more money than you should. It's critical that you replace a leaking or worn steering rack before it becomes a major problem. You'll save money and, more importantly, keep you and your passengers safe.